What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally took delivery of our new 2020 Road Glide that's about to have all the Everything Regular oohs and ahs, man. You guys seen the paint set. Actually, you guys haven't even seen the paint set. You guys seen a piece of the paint set, but you guys seen the wheels and everything else that we got for this bike, man. This thing should come together really quick, fast, and in a hurry. I can't wait to put it together, but we actually just got something a little bit more exciting in the mail. So I don't know if I should do our CVO first or blue and yellow bike. I honestly think I might tackle our blue and yellow bike only because our gas tank for our CVO is still at bro crib and I haven't got a chance to get over there and pick it up. But in the meantime, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate that, man. We gave away our 2022 CVO yesterday. As of right now, it's earlier in the day, same day as the giveaway day, so I don't know where it's headed, but by the time we drop this video, man, it will have already been given away, man. So I definitely appreciate everybody who entered the 2022 CVO giveaway. If you guys missed out on that, man, it's not the end of the road, man. You guys know we got the whole ooh and ah effect up next, man. This is the one, man. You guys know we got our 2020 Silverado dually truck back there sitting on sixes, paired together for first place as well with our 2021 Road Glide CVO. Yes, man, the bike in the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat Charger paired together for second place as well with our 2020 Road Glide Special. Yes, man, a Hellcat Charger and a freaking matching Harley both together for second place, man. So not only do you got a bike and a truck for first place, man, you got a Hellcat and a bike for second place, man. Third place, we got a Road Glide as well. I don't know which one I'm going to put up yet. You guys know I got a green and blue Road Glide back there, and then this Road Glide itself is actually going to be looking really good when we get done with it the next couple days. So stay tuned for that, man. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole ooh and ah giveaway, man, it is live right now on the site. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We got 4 different colorways, man. You might as well get all 4. You'll have a chance at winning all 3 of these prizes. You never know, man. You might get lucky enough and win multiple prizes, man. So the choice is yours. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get your entry. I'm actually going to hold it open to 35 for the rest of the weekend, man. So shout out to everybody that was able to get in early and everybody who's able to get in now, man. I appreciate you guys, man. We got a lot of things to do on the list today, so let's get right to it and see what we got to do, man. It's a movie. Alrighty, guys. First things first, we got to move our 2020 out the way. Now, we did clean this thing up yesterday, got it started, so on and so forth. Of course, you guys know what's damaged on here, man. We got all the parts for this bike right here. We literally just got to do it. Now, if we wasn't on giveaway day today, we will be doing it right now, but I don't want to start something and not be able to finish it today, man. So that's why I think we might even mess with the CVO, because that one it'll take a little bit quicker and it won't be that long, man. So we're going to twist this thing around, pull that CVO out, check out that, open these boxes, see what's in here for our CVO, and then we'll see where we at with that, man. I can't wait. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, though. It's a movie. Alrighty, we just unpacked the boxes. We got our, y'all know this whole CVO set came with like CVO wheels and all that, man. So, I mean, if we didn't have wheels, these would have been great. But honestly, we're using our own wheels, our Big Daddy. So these CVO wheels, unfortunately, Harley, they don't compare to my Big Daddy wheels, man. So these will be getting put in the corner somewhere or on at least the 2020 until we find something better. But not only did we get the rims for it, we also got the outer fairing and the inner fairing came today as well, man. So honestly, we might be able to freaking get this thing complete. Meanwhile, take this inner and outer fairing off, get that support bracket under there switched out. Maybe switch out the bars, I don't know. But at least we'll be able to get it like complete, get that front wheel on there and some more, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. So first, I guess I'll just put this front wheel on there so we can at least see how this thing is gonna look. Cause we gotta get the feel for this thing, man. I gotta put that on there, get that whole ooh and ah effect started, man. So we gonna throw this front wheel on here real quick, gang. Just like that, guys. We got that new rim on there. Oh my God. Yeah, this thing gonna look hard, gang. I ain't gonna even hold you. This thing is gonna look hard. I might as well take off this inner and outer fairing so we can get this thing situated, man. I think that's what I'm about to do. We about to snatch off this whole outer fairing first, top piece, headlight. This whole inner and outer has to come off. Once we take that off, we'll catch up with you guys, man. Just like that, guys, we got our inner and outer fairing off. Now you guys see what I was talking about and referring to when I said this. So the fairing support bracket is bent, just like I suspected. It's definitely bent. So we got to take this piece off, 4 little screws, snatch that off, put the new one on there, and then from there we can get the new inner fairing mounted up, because this one is whooped. We're not going to be using this one, so we got to take everything off of here and mount it up to the new inner fairing, but we'll get that here shortly after we get this support bracket changed out real quick. And just like that, guys, we got our new fairing support bracket on there. You guys can just see the old one definitely was whoop-de-doo, but this is no longer, so we can set this aside. Now we just got to go get our new inner fairing from inside the house, transfer everything from over here over there, and then mount that thing back up, and we should have some action, man. Shouldn't be that much longer, but we'll get it together. Just like that, oh my God, 2021 CVO for yours truly, man. We got that inner fairing on, we got that outer fairing on. We actually even got the new radio plugged in that joint, man. We might even have to switch the radio again, but oh no, we do got this joint on there. We do got this joint on there. It is looking good, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. Let's see. Got the oohs and the ahs on there now, that's for sure. Telling you, she looking good. She definitely looking good. The oohs and the ahs on the back. Big CVO style. On the front, man, what y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. Now that we got this bike that much more situated, we can actually put this thing back in the corner, get all this stuff cleaned up, and get ready for the giveaway, y'all. It is time to go live. I can't wait. We got 30 minutes. And just like that, we got that thing parked back up in the corner. I ain't gonna hold you, that black is looking so cold with that red. That thing looking cold. We gotta go pick up our gas tank after we go live. But for now, the garage is, I guess, clean and organized for the most part. It looked like a bunch of stuff and everything. But all I know is, man, we got that CVO ready to go. And I can't wait. Tomorrow we're going to be tackling either one of these things. I can't wait yet, man. It's a movie. Meanwhile, man, next morning here, we ended up getting our YouTube plaque in the mail, man. I've been working so freaking hard for this just to get to this point right here, man. So shout out everybody that subscribed and supported your boy Everything Regular, man. This is literally like a dream come true for me, definitely. So I appreciate y'all, man. It's all love. Y'all already know what time it is. We got a lot of stuff done on the CVO yesterday. Literally just got to go pick up the gas tank, and this thing is pretty much done, man. So pick up the gas tank and put the rear wheel on. Now I would have did it today, but bro lives so freaking far, man. I just don't feel like driving down there right now. We got to take our Hellcat to the shop today so we can get the wide body going. Meanwhile, it is Saturday. today, and I'm about to go pick up the gas tank and stuff for the CVO. But I'm like, shoot, since I'm doing that, I might as well load up the freaking wide body kit, because we got to drop the car off in a couple hours. So we can kill 2 birds with 1 stone right now. So I'm actually about to load up the wide body kit for the Hellcat, and we gonna go drop that off and go pick up the freaking gas tank. Finally, man, we done made it back home, put the CVO back out. I do got the gas tank in the car. So let's put this thing on real quick. Y'all didn't see me do it a bunch of times, so no need to time lapse it. And just like that, guys, we got our 2021 CVO all put together. We got our front fender on there, inner and outer fairing, gas tank, side covers, bags, rear fender, seat, and everything. Now, the only thing that we really got to change out, honestly, is this gas tank trim. Now, of course, we got the brand new trim that comes on all the new bikes. However, we didn't have the right fuel pump for it, so I told bro, hey, just put that freaking other one back on there, and when the new fuel pumps comes, we'll change this whole little console out. So this won't be here when you guys get it. It'll actually be looking even better, man. So stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, we got a new upgraded radio in that thing. We got to get the speaker covers and maybe get a little freaking door for this joint. No big deal there. All in all, it is looking really good, complete and all. What do you guys think about it? I'm excited. I actually might pull this thing in the sun right now, because this black and red is just beasting. I'm liking it, man. What y'all think? And y'all know I have to pull this joint out in this sun, man. Pull it next to this Big Daddy dually truck. Let's see what that thing looking like, gang. Ooh, that thing gonna be on the back of him. I like that, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. That CVO is killer. The rims on it is looking nice. The color is great. That black, I didn't think I was gonna like black like that much, y'all, but I'm actually liking this black with this red. I'm actually liking this black with this red, man. It go well with our 2020 Silverado dually truck that's going to be paired together for first place with this bike, man. So you guys want a shot at winning this 2021 CVO and that 2021 Silverado together for first place, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. The wallets are still $35. Meanwhile, we already dropped off our Hellcat at the shop, so the wide body for that is already in process. I can't wait to get that thing back, but we got a whole lot of more things to do, so finishing this one today was pretty dope, man. I'm excited. What y'all think about it in the comments below, man. It's up. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. You guys caught the video today where we pretty much finished up our 2021 CVO. I can't wait to hop on that thing and ride it now that it's looking real nice and literally my style, man. We threw the everything regular oohs and ahs wheels on there. Literally got a few things to do on that bike. Nothing really too crazy, so I can't wait to tackle that thing later on in the week. Meanwhile, you guys already know what time it is, man. We got a bunch of bikes here and a bunch of work to do still, man. So I'm about to actually get back up in here, but I wanted to end you guys with this, man. Our Hellcat is already at the shop getting a wide body attended to, so that should be back in a couple weeks, man. That thing is going to be matching our 2020 Road Glide, so stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, man, we did give away our CVO, so shout out to Paula of Jacksonville, Florida, man. Our 2022 CVO is heading to Jacksonville, Florida, man. I can't wait to slide down there and see what the weather is like. Meanwhile, man, if you guys missed out on our 2022 CVO giveaway, man, it's never the end of the road, man. You guys know we got the whole ooh and ah effect coming up next, man. So with that being said, man, we got our 2020 Silverado dually truck on them Foggiatos paired together for first place with our 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat Charger and our 2020 Road Glide special together. Yes, man, the matching bike will come with the Hellcat, man. I can't wait for that. So not only do you get a truck and a bike for first place, you get a Hellcat and a bike for second place. We got third place, which is our Road Glide special. Now, I don't know which Road Glide I want to put up personally, but I know it is going to be a Road Glide for third place, man. So if you guys want a shot at winning something great just for supporting your boy Everything Regular, man, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a wallet. All the wallets is still $35 while we still got the weekend here, man. So head on over there and get your entry now while you can. After tomorrow, man, the price goes back up to full price of $75, man. So go in and get in while you can. Go get you each one while the price is still low enough to get all of them for cheap, man. So with that being said, I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate y'all, man. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one. I'm about to get up in here and get back to work, man. It's a movie. Until next time, dog. Peace.